Some of the most common causes of white tongue are as follows. 1. Improper oral hygiene or care. Over time, bacteria, fungi, food debris, and dead cells can all get trapped between the tongue and nodules, causing them to get inflamed and turning the tongue white. It's easy for debris and microorganisms to get stuck within the tongue's niches and become resistant to getting flushed by saliva. This is why regularly brushing your teeth and tongue is so important. 2. Dry mouth. A dry mouth, usually caused by sleeping with your mouth open or breathing through your mouth, can lead to whiteness on the tongue. 3. Dehydration. When you're not hydrating properly, your body works to conserve the fluid it does have. That's why one of the first signs of dehydration is decreased saliva production. Your tongue might feel dry and even swollen, and it may take on a white appearance. 4. Excessive alcohol or tobacco. Excessive alcohol intake, smoking, or tobacco use, which can irritate the lining of your mouth and lead to the development of thick, stubborn, pre-malignant lesions on the gums, the floor of the mouth, inside of the cheeks, and even tongue. 5. Some diseases. A number of diseases, such as oral thrush or syphilis, can manifest as a white tongue and call for immediate medical attention. Now, let's take a look at some of the safest remedies to help get rid of a white tongue at home. 1. Chew on raw garlic. We know garlic is often the cause of bad breath, so you wouldn't expect it to be used in any way to clean the mouth. But it truly can help, so don't be afraid to eat raw garlic. It'll help you kill bacteria and cleanse the tongue. 2. Use aloe vera. Aloe has anti-inflammatory and healing properties that make it a great white tongue treatment. To kill the germs on the tongue and on the gums, put a tablespoon of aloe vera juice in your mouth, swish it for a few minutes, and spit it out. Then rinse your mouth with warm water. You can repeat this several times a day. 3. Brush with salt. Salt is one of the best helpers for cleansing the tongue. Abrasive salt particles will remove contamination and dead cells from the tongue. Sprinkle some salt onto your tongue and lightly brush with a toothbrush for a minute, then rinse your mouth with water. Repeat twice a day. 4. Make a turmeric paste. Turmeric isn't only a spice, but also an excellent alternative to antiseptic drugs for the mouth. Combine turmeric and citrus juice until you get a pasty consistency. Then rub the paste onto the tongue for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with warm water. 5. Use a toothbrush or scrub. Gently brushing your tongue with a toothbrush from the bottom up, from the base to the tip, will manually clear away any of the grime or bacteria that may be causing white tongue. Don't press too hard though. It'll work best with a softer approach. 6. Make a disinfecting mouthwash with herbs and salt. Herbs like chamomile, mint, and sage have medicinal properties that make them effective when cleaning your tongue. Take a tablespoon of chamomile, a tablespoon of mint, and a tablespoon of sage, then add a pinch of oak bark to the mixture and fill it with 4 cups of boiled water. Wait for the broth to cool and strain it, then pour a tablespoon of salt into the broth. Swish with this remedy twice a day after brushing your teeth. 7. Don't smoke. Smoking can help inflame the tongue. This means that dead cells will accumulate on the tongue, which creates a comfortable environment for the growth of bacteria. Also, cigarette smoke contains chemicals that are unhealthy for mouth tissue. 8. Don't drink alcohol. Alcohol affects the tongue in 2 ways at once. It causes inflammation of the tongue and dehydrates the body. Therefore, it's better to refrain from drinking excessively. 9. Drink more water. Water helps the whole body, the tongue included. As we know, dehydration and dry mouth can lead to a white tongue. Drink regularly and consider factors such as your body weight, activity level, and the climate of your local area. Always carry a bottle of water with you so that you can instantly replenish the level of water in your body if you're thirsty.